Okay, so in this video we're going to be constructing a square based on a given line segment. What I want to do is I want to extend the length of the line segment at least twice as long to either side. It could go to the right or the left, it doesn't really matter. After that I'm going to do what we call the perpendicular bisector. You can watch the other video for the perpendicular bisector, or you could actually just do it from here. But I'm going to poke the center point that I just made. I'm going to make two arcs, and notice when I make these two arcs I probably have to extend my line again. So I'm going to extend this a little bit longer. Then from there I'm going to do the perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to poke, and I need to open up the compass so that it is about 3/4 of the way between the 2 points, and I'm going to make an arc. And then I'm going to do it again on the other side and make an arc. And then I'm going to connect those 2 points so that I've just created the perpendicular bisector. The important part of this perpendicular bisector is that I've just created my first right angle, so I know that that's a right angle. Now the given segment, you can see, is in between the 2 dots, so I need to measure the length of that segment using the compass. So I'm going to close the compass so that it measures the length of that side. And on a square, we obviously need this piece to be the same length. So I make an arc right up there. From here, I make another arc, and I know that these points are all equidistant from here, the same length of the square. And I know that my side's going to be here, but I just don't know where yet. I'm also going to poke here and find the intersection with the arc that I just drew. And now I've created my fourth angle or corner of the square. So I'm going to connect this intersection with the original line, and I'm going to connect this intersection with the one I drew previously, and now I've created a square. So remember, a couple of things about the square. We have 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles, and it's a regular quadrilateral because all the sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent. Thanks, and I'll see you later.